Some cities are famous for their indulgences, some for its opportunities, and while some for its nature. It is very rare to find a metropolis where the best of everything comes together to nurture the Golden Triangle. It is a truly privileged city which has been on the forefront of generating waves of developments that emerged in its top ranking in the Ease of Living Index 2018.
If you study the growth model of development of urban clusters and cities over the world, then you'll understand that cities are ever-growing entity. Some locations which were distant in the past are now the new city center. Take for example, Bhavdan location of Pune. It is the new city center due to the Bhavdan Golden Triangle positioned strategically between the NDA road connecting Ond and Kothurud, Hinjewadi IT Hub and Mumbai-Pune Expressway and Bangalore-Goa Highway. This catchment is now going to be celebrated as the Bhavdan Golden Triangle. This entity assures never before privilege of living at the epicenter of Pune. Due to this, the residential micro-market of Bhavdan has experienced a steady appreciation. The 2008 Commonwealth Games which were held in Pune contributed in a big way for the advancement of infrastructure in this region. The progress indicators showcase that the Golden Triangle of Bhavdan on the verge of witnessing a huge success in the residential real estate segment. The fast-paced infrastructure development in like Pune Ring Road, Pune Metro Line 2, the future of seamless travel is arriving soon in Pune and Bhavdan. Be it the Pune Airport or the NH48, each one brings the world closer to Bhavdan.
The enthralling hills engulf Bhavdan from three sides and soothing Passion Lake adorns the north. Spread across 40 square kilometers tranquility, Passion Lake hosts a range of migratory birds. Being one of the leading tourist destinations of Pune, it also hosts an expanse of greens. Chandni Chowk, the area which is just a few minutes away from Bhavdan and has breathtaking views. With a judicious mix of special economic zones, micro, small and medium enterprises, multinational companies and IT parks, Bhavdan takes you into the big league. Being an important economic hub of Pune, Bhavdan welcomes a range of businesses to start their new journey and creates a host of opportunities. The corporate centers like Oracle, Calsoft, Funtech are within its vicinity. These factors make Bhavdan the first choice for many aspiring home buyers. Pune Municipal Corporation has initiated nearly 4 million square feet of IT zones construction in Bhane and Balewadi. These developments will further create 40,000 jobs. Karve and Kothurud area, which hosts a large number for SMEs and mid-level companies, is just 15 minutes drive from Bhavdan.
My experience in real estate field over a decade tells me that when a buyer looks for a home, he looks for his world around the home. That is why it's an uphill task to find a perfect balance matching his requirements. People look out for schools, colleges for the kids, conveniences for the daily chores, indulgence for the weekend and hospitals for a better care. Bhavdan not only offers these things but provides an option of selecting from the best. With healthcare institutes like Chalaram Hospital, the Asian Hospital, the Opal Hospital, here is an integrated wellness zone in Bhavdan. A range of world-class education institutes like Ryan International, Vidya Valley School, Indian Institute of Cost Management and Studies, Vasant Dada Patil Engineering College have opened their campuses at the key destination. With intensified real estate, corporate and infrastructure developments in the region, plethora of high street experiences like Reliance Mart, Phoenix Market City are providing services to pamper the indulgences. According to market survey, these developments will soon lead to high property price rise and will become the Pune's prime center of life.
With the spirit to bring to excellence on the horizon of Pune, Puravankara presents you the golden opportunity to invest in the Bhavdan, an icon of opulence, luxuries and finest of indulgences. Purva Aspire is all set to soar high. Come to be a part of this history in the making and cherish never-before privileges. Arrive at Bhavdan. Arrive at Purva Aspire.